Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. We are solving LeetCode problem series. Today, day 3 of SQL LeetCode problem solving series. So this is a question. Today we solve the question name is 595 big countries. If you are new in this channel, so make sure subscribe the channel, like the video, and also check full playlist in the description. So now go. We have a table. The table name is word, and here the column name and type name, continent, areas, population, and here its type and even its GDP, sorry. Name is the primary key column with the unique value for this table. Each rows of this table given information about the name of a country, the continent to which it's belong, its area, the population, and its GDP value. Here have a condition. A country is big if its area at least 3 million and also population at least 25 million. Write a solution to find the name, population, and area of the big country. The result in the table in any order. Okay. So here we to print and we write the code. Select. We have to print a name, population, and what we have to print here. Yes, area. Okay, area. From our table name. What is our table name? Table name is word. Where is our word? Where? What is our condition? Condition is where population is more than 25 million, 5 million, or where the population is or if any condition is true, so we print. So here the population is or and the area is more than 3 million. Area is more than 3 million now. And now we run this code. This is running. All accepted. Now submit the code. Yes. 7 out of 7 test cases pass. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. We will meet in the next video.